Attention Howick Fire, if you could respond to 1061 Sanderson Street. Just have a caller reporting a carbon monoxide alarm is going off. No symptoms. Everyone will evacuate. Again, that's 1061 Sanderson Street for an alarm sounding. Time of first page is 18:02. Attention Howick Fire, if you could respond to 1061 Sanderson Street, that's just between Church Street and Center Street. Callers are reporting a CO alarm going off. Everyone has evacuated, no symptoms. Again, that's 1061 Sanderson Street between Church Street and Center Street for an alarm sounding. Time of second page is 18:03. Howick Fire, please respond.
Fire dispatch, Howick Fire.
Go ahead.
Fire dispatch, Howick Fire.
Howick Fire, go ahead.
Yeah, we acknowledge the page, thank you.
Roger that, Howick Fire, acknowledging page 18:05.
Fire dispatch, Howick 2-1.
Go ahead.
Dispatch, you can show 2-1 responding with 1.
Roger that.
Fire dispatch, Howick Fire.
Go ahead.
Fire dispatch, you can show 2-6 responding to 1061 Sanderson Street. 5 on board.
Roger that.
Fire dispatch, Howick 2-1.
Go ahead.
Dispatch, you can show 2-1 on scene.
That's Roger, 2-1, you're on scene. 18:10:33.
Dispatch 2-1, we do have a single-story brick residence. Nothing showing at this time.
Roger that. Single-story brick residence. Nothing showing at this time. It's 18:10.
Fire dispatch, unit 2-6.
Go ahead, 2-6.
Fire dispatch, you can show 2-6 on scene, 1061 Sanderson Street.
Roger that. 2-6, you're on scene. 18:11.
Fire dispatch, Howick 2-1.
Unit, can I go ahead? Roger that. 201, you're in command and mobile at 18:12. Roger that. You've made contact with the property unit at 18:12.
Fire dispatch, call Howick command.
Command, go ahead.
Dispatch, you can show 2 firefighters entering on air.
Roger that. Command, 2 firefighters entering on air at 18:14.
Attack E1 to entry control. We are located in the basement. We are getting readings of 20.8, nothing alarming. Everything seems alright. We're going to move to... Yep.
Just be advised.
Roger that, maybe we'll just hang here in the basement then here for a minute and see if it kicks on. Motor here on fan of the furnace. It seems to be just a tad warm, but nothing to be alarmed. You can touch with your hand, but it's warm.
Roger that. Fire dispatch. Yeah.
Unit calling, go ahead.
Dispatch, Howick command. Be advised, entry team is reading 20.8 parts per million. Now sounding warm.
Fire dispatch command, I can hear you coming over. Just be advised you're coming in strength 1. You're very staticky.
Fire dispatch, Howick command.
Command, go ahead.
Dispatch, be advised, entry team is reading 20.8 parts per million in the basement. They've also found a furnace fan that is warm.
Attack 1 to entry.
That's Roger. I copy. The entry team has a reading of 28 parts per million in the basement. The furnace
filter is warm as well. It's 1850.
Roger, entry team exiting the building. Fire dispatch, Howick command.
Command, go ahead.
Dispatch, you can show 2 firefighters have exited the building.
That's Roger. I copy. 2 firefighters exited building 18-1934.
Howick command, call Howick station. Howick command, call Howick station.
Go ahead, station command.
Got 4 firefighters here. Do you need anybody?
Station, that's negative. You can stand down.
Copy that.
Fire dispatch, Howick command.
Go ahead.
Dispatch, you can show 2 firefighters have entered the building.
Roger, I copy. 2 have entered the building at 1822.
Attention Brussels Fire, if you could please respond to 768 Bryant's Drive. Again, that's Bryant's Drive at the request of EMS for an 18-year-old female short of breath. Recently has a diagnosis of pneumonia. Again, that'll be Bryant's Drive at the request of EMS for an 18-year-old short of breath. Time of first stage 1824:39.
Go ahead, entry team 1.
Attention Brussels Fire, if you could please respond to Bryant's Drive. Again, that'll be Bryant's Drive at the request of EMS for an 18-year-old female, short of breath, diagnosis of pneumonia recently. Again, that'll be Bryant's Drive at the request of EMS. Time second page 1825:37. Brussels Fire, please respond.
Engine control, you can show Team 1 will be exiting the structure.
Roger, team 1, exiting the structure party.
Roger that.
Fire dispatch, Howick command.
Howick command, go ahead.
Dispatch, you can show 2 firefighters have exited the building. You can show that the firefighters did run the furnace a second time, no additional readings, and we suspect it was dust hitting the smoke alarm directly by the furnace vent.
Roger, command, I copy. 2 firefighters are exiting building. Did the run the furnace the second time, no additional readings. Just hitting the smoke alarm directly from the furnace. It's 1827.
Fire dispatch, Howick fire.
Go ahead.
Fire dispatch, you can show 26 is going to return to the hall.
Roger that.
Five seven, go ahead.
Here, respond. 5 on, including,
Roger that, 5-7 responding, 5+1 officer, 1828. Roger that, 5-7, I copy, you're on scene, 504 in command, 360 in progress, it's 1831. That's Roger.
Fire dispatch, Howick command.
Howick command, go ahead.
Dispatch, you can show a scene has been returned to the homeowner. Command is terminated, and 21 is returning with 1.
Roger that, I copy. Scene's being turned back over to the homeowner. Command is terminated. 21 is returned to station. It's 1832.
Roger that, EMS on scene, 1833.
Fire dispatch, unit 26.
26, go ahead.
Fire dispatch, you can show Howick unit 26 has returned to the hall. 5 on board.
Roger that, 26. Return to the hall, 5 on board, 1835.
Fire dispatch, Howick 2-1.
2-1, go ahead.
Dispatch, you can show 2-1 back at the station.
Roger that.
That's Roger. Station loaded onto EMS en route to Seaforth Hospital. Command terminated. Unit returning 1846-45.
Fire dispatch, Howick fire.
Go ahead.
Fire Dispatch, you can show Howick back in service.
That's Roger, you're back in service at 185425. Have a good rest of your night.
You have a good night as well. XKU 493 clear, 1855-42.
Dispatch, call Brussels base.
Go ahead.
You can show us back in service.
After that, Brussels station is back in service at 1900 hours. Have a great night.
You as well.